And Mommy said you were stealing from her purse. Yeah, and I said, Alisa, come over here. And he said no. Case closed. No, it's not. I said, stay up. Don't argue with me. Yeah. Yeah.
Stand back up, Alyssa.
I said, don't argue with me. Sasto. Papa said no, and you still do it. Yeah. I love you. Whoa.
Are you guys done arguing?
Case closed.
I don't think. I think Alyssa wants the last word, Bubba.
You want to have the last word? No, I want to have the last word. I said, okay. And I said, the winner is Alyssa, Bobby. And case closed. No, you're gonna fall. You are gonna fall on your head. You're gonna fall on your head. Hey! Hey!
The more you say no, Bubba, the more she wants to do it.
One.
Told you.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Hey! 1, 2, 3.
Bubba, get in your belly. Is Bubba get in your belly? I love Bubba. Say I love. I love my Bobble. Is that what you said? Alyssa, did you say I love my Bobble? Did you say I love my Bobble?